For this project, you'll need 2 feather shapes in coordinating colours. Create a template by tracing around a feather shape and mark 2 V-shaped lines in the middle. Cut out the template and then set aside the middle piece. Position the top and bottom template pieces on the back of one of the feathers, making sure they line up with the edges. Trace around the template with a pencil. Cut the feather into 3 pieces along the pencil lines, making sure you keep track of the top and bottom of the centre section so that it fits correctly when reassembling. Trace the template onto the back of the second leather feather and cut it apart too. Adjust the dial on the rotating jewellery punch to suit the size of the jump rings. Before punching holes in the leather, practice on the paper template so you can gauge how close to the edge you can punch the holes. Take your time when positioning the point of the punch on the leather, repositioning if necessary so it's not too close to the edges. You'll need to punch holes in the 4 points of the centre sections and the outer corners of the top and bottom sections. Reassemble the feathers but swap the 2 centre pieces over. Open a jump ring, then place the top and middle pieces together with the right sides facing. Insert a jump ring through the front piece and then through the back piece. Close it and then repeat on the other side. Next, place the middle section and bottom sections together with the holes aligned and insert a jump ring through both pieces to connect them. With all the pieces together, lay the feather flat and apply a dab of adhesive in the centre of the middle section. Position the large crystal on the adhesive. Place small dabs of adhesive on the point of the top and bottom sections and position the smaller crystals in place. Pinch the leaf together and insert a jump ring through the 2 holes at the top of the feather. Hook the earring wire onto the back, making sure it's facing the right way, and then close the jump ring. Pinch the top of the feather in one hand, hold the earring wire in the other, and then pull the jump ring over the top edge so it sits above the feather. Now make up the second earring with the remaining leather pieces. If you make up a second pair of mismatched earrings, you can mix and match your feather earrings to suit your mood.